Walang persona ng tira eh. Walang isang first. One is lang. Right away. I know. I'm sorry, but really good play. Just steam away. I am dying for the win. He's wearing a hoodie. Kuya, ganito, dali. Ganito dito. Be congratulated by your loving audience. Ito mo yan, ito mo yan. Ito si Ray. Anong masasabi mo? Sabi ko kanina, mananalo ako eh. And you proved it true. You proved it true. So, thank you for watching the finals. Up next, meron pa wala na, one more time. Yun, so, Airdash is a community, so pwede lang kayo pumunta sa mga casual, so you can learn the game. As you can see, kanina fun, di ba? So, each weekend or something, we have events and south or north around sa mga computer shop. So, din lang. Kung gusto nyo attend kayo, our Facebook page is iAirdash. iAirdash. Search nyo lang. iAirdash on Facebook. Every weekends talaga meron casual. Don't be afraid if you don't know the game. Mga 50 pesos lang kailangan nyo. Whole day na yun. Yeah. 50 pesos will win us yung friendship. At may chance kayo makalaro si Ryan kung sa tingin nyo, kaya na siya talaga. Oo, kakan yung ganun. Swerte lang siya kasi hindi kayo sumali. O, diba? Sino yun? Sino yung hindi sumali? Wala yun. Pag-lagi yung hindi sumali. Ay, Insan! Alright. So that's it. Ay, salamat sa mga panonood. Okay.
Thank you very much, Pinoy PS. Congratulations sa mga nanalo. At nanalo. See you next year. Ayan. Salamat.